Days after filing for divorce from Depp, Heard obtained a temporary restraining order claiming that Depp had been violent with her. She also said that she's seeking $50,000 in monthly spousal support. Depp has reportedly filed papers seeking to block that request. Amber Heard denied $50,000 monthly spousal support from Johnny Depp. 11 more things we learned from the court documents. More information regarding Amber Heard's legal requests and allegations against Johnny Depp have surfaced. Team Heard refuses court order, arguing with the judge. Earlier today, the actor was granted a domestic violence restraining order against her soon-to-be ex-husband after alleging abuse and showing up to a Los Angeles courtroom visibly bruised in the face. Now, E! News learns much more about the legal proceedings from this case, as well as the alleged abuse history between these celebs through court documents which we've obtained. From Heard's request for $50,000 a month in spousal support to what happened on the night of May 21st, 2016, here's what we've learned from the legal papers. The long legal battle between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard is far from over, but it did take a big step towards an eventual end recently when Depp's libel lawsuit against the UK ended. Depp's claim of libel against the Sun newspaper were dismissed after the judge in the case found the statement made by the paper that Depp was a wife-beater to be substantially true. That was due in large part to the testimony of Amber Heard, Depp's ex-wife, who the actor is also suing for defamation in a separate case set to be heard next year. The defamation lawsuit is currently set to be heard in May of next year. Johnny Depp claims that an op-ed written by Heard that appeared in the Washington Post, in which she spoke about abuse she had suffered, was about him. His name was never used in the piece, and that it resulted in him losing out on work, specifically his role of Captain Jack Sparrow in Disney's Pirates of the Caribbean films. It will be interesting to see if the fact that Depp just lost the Fantastic Beasts role also ends up playing a part when the defamation case goes to trial. Johnny Depp's legal battles are clearly far from over. In addition to his own lawsuit and his appeal, he's also now set to be deposed in a countersuit filed by Amber Heard. We're far from the end of this story. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's ugly divorce has devolved into lawsuits. New bits of information are being leaked on what feels like a weekly basis. The latest is a video deposition Depp reportedly gave back in 2018. In it, the actor explains how he almost lost his finger. His version of the story, which differs from hers, is very graphic. In the papers, Heard claims to have $43,700 in total monthly expenses. Of that, the biggest chunks are for two line items, $10,000 for rent and $10,000 for entertainment, gifts, and vacation. Heard also claims another $10,000 in miscellaneous expenses, including grooming, pet supplies, and expenses for public relations, agent, and attorney. Heard claims an average monthly income of $10,000 after business expenses, though she notes that, as an actress, her income fluctuates. Year to date, the papers claim Heard has collected $26,000 in revenues, but she says she has paid out more than $55,000 in expenses over the same period. Of those expenses, biggies include $11,500 in salaries for other employees and $14,250 for public relations. From meeting on the set of a movie over 10 years ago to the current defamation suit and everything in between, here's a rundown of how Johnny Depp and Amber Heard got here. Before the orders of protection, before the divorce, and even before the marriage, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard first knew each other as co-stars on the set of a film back in 2009. According to Entertainment Tonight, Depp and Heard first met while filming The Rum Diary in October 2009, where they were cast as each other's love interest in the film adaptation of the Hunter S. Thompson novel. The recording emerged courtesy of the Daily Mail. It features Johnny Depp recounting his perspective on the incident, which involves Amber Heard throwing multiple bottles of vodka and his finger bleeding out like Mount Vesuvius, the volcano that destroyed Pompeii in 79 AD. Here's a portion of his quote below. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's breakup has been a long series of ugly accusations and wild rumors. How exactly Johnny Depp's finger came to be severed is just another in a long series of explosive questions we don't have definitive answers for. What does seem clear, however, is that the relationship was unhealthy and volatile for both parties. In the time since the split, they've accused each other of everything from drinking problems to affairs to physical violence. The two first separated all the way back in 2016. The divorce was finalized in early 2017, but after she wrote an editorial detailing alleged abuse she'd gone through without mentioning Depp by name, he fired back with a lawsuit against her. The chatter of the case has gotten progressively louder over the past few months, and fans on both sides have become increasingly vocal about what they think happened. While this case was not specifically against Amber Heard, it did hinge on her testimony, and as such, the results are likely seen as boding well for the defamation case that has been filed against her. Amber Heard's lawyer, Elaine Charlson-Bredehoft, recently spoke with People to say that she did not find the judgment against Johnny Depp to be a surprise, and that she expects the upcoming defamation case to have the same result, according to Bredehoft. With the one case done, one would expect attention to shift to the remaining case. However, it does not appear that the libel case is entirely over yet. Johnny Depp recently announced that, at the request of Warner Bros., he will be stepping down from the role of Grindelwald in the next Fantastic Beasts film. The statement also included the fact that he plans to appeal the verdict in the UK case, so we likely haven't heard the last on this story. Various documents have been leaked, celebrities have been pulled into the mix, recorded therapy sessions have emerged, and now we have this deposition tape. Clearly, it has become a battle over public opinion every bit as much as a battle over money. That makes some sense given they are actors who need people to go see their movies, but at this point, it's hard to imagine they both wouldn't have been better served by trying to rehabilitate their images in other ways that didn't involve lawyers. Thumb through any given tabloid magazine in the grocery store checkout lane, or watch any of the countless celebrity news shows, and it won't take long to come across an article or segment on the never-ending legal and personal battles between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. But with everything that is going on between the two former co-stars and couple, it's hard to lose track of how it all started in the first place.